Hi, I'm Tony from Lemmo. I am a devoted cyclist and a tech nomad. At Lemmo, we like to mix things to create something new. Oh, let's mix this. Maybe not now. What a habit. We mix to create new things in the micromobility sector. So when I move around the city, I like to cycle. It's really simple and energetic. But from time to time, I need a boost, especially if there's a strong wind or I just don't like to sweat. The problem is, I never liked this chunky look and complicity of a traditional electric bike. On the top of all that, when I work remotely in the city, I have to bring all of these batteries, chargers with me to power my laptop or mobile phone or other devices. I feel like these things limit the freedom to live and to move flexibly. And this is what cycling and remote work are all about. So what if we mix all of these functions into a single product so that we can enjoy the flexibility to glide, to sweat, to work, to explore? And it goes. This is Lemmo One E+Bike. The one blends traditional bikes and e-bikes into a whole new breed. It is the ultimate bike and the perfect companion to enhance your flexible urban lifestyle. We call this model Core Edition, and there is a step-through version, and several other editions to fit different needs: urban, dynamic, and limited. And these together are our 2025 Lemmo One product lineup. The whole Lemmo One design is based on E+Bike technology. But what is E+Bike? It is all about separating the electric components from the bicycle. So we took most of these electric parts and totally reorganized them into this compact box that we call SmartPack. This leaves your bike with only a few cables in the frame, making it easy to manufacture and also repair. Without a SmartPack, you have a simple bicycle, but still a smart one. Another important innovation supporting the E+Bike technology is a dual-mode hub. This special hub allows you to switch from e-bike riding to resistance-free normal bike riding within one twist. Now let me explain in a bit more detail those two pillars of E+Bike technology. First up is SmartPack, which is the E in the E+Bike equation. Look at this high-precision built electronic device. Unlike the typical long tube-shaped e-bike batteries, it features a replaceable fabric cover. Many people say it feels like a premium speaker that seamlessly blends into your desk. SmartPack is equipped with a 540 watt-hour battery which can strongly power your ride for up to 100 kilometers. Not only is one of the largest batteries in the industry, but it's also a powerhouse of innovation. It integrates the motor controller, IoT connectivity, GPS tracking, and even functions as a strong power bank. You can charge anything from your phone to your computer. It is IP66 highly waterproof and comes with a fast charger that fully charges the battery in just 3.5 hours. Weighing only 3 kilograms, it is easy to slide in or out of your Lemmo One and carry with you wherever you go. SmartPack connects to the bike through the connector located inside the head tube. To attach it, simply place the SmartPack onto the rail and slide in. The second innovation that powers E+Bike technology is the dual-mode hub. We call it that because, in addition to integrating a lightweight yet powerful motor with its 40 to 56 Nm of torque, it also features our patented dual-clutch system, allowing you to disengage motor core from the hub shell. Take a look. Right now, it is in E mode. In this mode, which stands for Electric Assisted Riding, the motor core transfers power to the wheel. However, with the traditional clutch, there is still some resistance, and the wheel does not rotate freely. Now, let's switch to M mode, manual riding. In this mode, our new clutch kicks in, completely disengaging the motor core. Try rotating the wheel. It spins smoothly, with no resistance at all. Do you see the difference? Let's compare. E mode, M mode. One more thing. This hub also integrates a highly responsive torque sensor, which not only ensures a smooth and natural riding experience, but also makes the entire electric system incredibly compact. Beside our unique dual-mode riding, there are several other advantages of the E+Bike concept. First benefit is maintenance. This is where the Lemmo One truly stands out. Since most of the electric components are concentrated in the SmartPack and dual-mode hub, the rest of the bike has mainly standard parts, and it's easy to maintain and repair within the majority of workshops. Second benefit is purchasing option. Lemmo One can be purchased together with SmartPack, but also separately as bike only. Or, as many of our couple customers did, they purchased two bikes, but only one SmartPack, so they can switch and share. It really depends on your needs. Finally, and very importantly, the life cycle. Mechanical bike parts and electrical components have different lifespans. So by separating electric components into SmartPack, you only need to upgrade this if you want to renew or improve the technology. This separation allows you to keep your bike for much longer, offering one of the most environmentally conscious solutions available. Mechanically, we build a very high-quality bike. Our bikes weigh only 15 kilos, with SmartPack altogether 18 kilos. Super light. Our aluminum frame is truly one of a kind in the bike world. It uses a unique adhesive process instead of traditional welding, creating super smooth surfaces that no weld can match. This method also improves accuracy and reduces environmental impact by using less energy. It is lightweight, yet the strength test results far exceeded the standard. Our fork is made from carbon fiber, offering better comfort while reducing weight. For an all-surface carefree ride, we use around 45 mm wide tires with puncture-resistant protection. For the drivetrain, we offer the high-end Shimano DO derailleur system, ideal for riders who enjoy a sporty 10-speed setup. Alternatively, we offer the top-grade Gates CDX belt drive system for a cleaner, low-maintenance, single-speed urban ride. And of course, for your safety, we equip the bike with a powerful 4-piston hydraulic brake system. Keeping the sleek, clean look of the Lemmo One while making it smart, comfortable, but also durable is a challenge we're facing. To do this, we had to reinvent and integrate some unique modular components. We call it a Stealth Tech. Stealth Tech begins with a handlebar. It might look standard, but we've hidden two buttons in the brake levers to control all the smart features. To start using the Lemmo One, press both buttons together to unlock one of the world's most secure anti-theft systems. First, there are two integrated electronic locks. One in the dropout to secure the hub, and the other in the SmartPack to prevent theft. Both have been extensively tested for reliability. Second, there are two tracking systems, the GPS chip integrated in SmartPack and the Apple Find My chip integrated in the frame. Your bike can always be located, with or without SmartPack. And the last one, the alarm system. If your bike is moved, the alarm triggers and you'll get push notification. Let's continue with your tour as a Lemmo One user. After unlocking, the integrated display on the top tube will turn on. It shows all the key information you need while riding. A short press of the left button activates the hidden, pleasant-sounding electric bell. A long press of the left button turns the integrated front and rear light on or off. These lights are key mark certified, meeting German regulations. Dig a little deeper into the front light. It is also a showcase of Stealth Tech. Powered by a 5000 mAh battery, it serves as a backup power source when riding without a smart pack. Removable with a special key, it charges via USB-C and even doubles as a flashlight, demonstrating thoughtful hidden design. Okay, back to the right button. A short press of the right button lets you change the electric assistance level from 0 to 3, providing anywhere from a gentle to a strong push from the dual mode hub. If you long press the right button and hold it, you activate turbo mode, which gives you a maximum assistance, perfect for starting off or tackling slopes. And here's another hidden feature in the handlebar area, an integrated phone holder. It is a universal solution that fits a wide range of phones without needing a special case. Just open the holder, adjust the sides, and snugly fit your phone in place. Moving to the seating area. The Stealth Suspension seat system is one of our standout innovations. Unlike the complicated suspension seat posts you usually see, ours is clean and sleek, with the suspension mechanism hidden inside. It offers 30 mm of shock absorption, ideal for urban roads. The core edition is Lemmo One Debut Edition, and the most versatile option with an agile riding experience that's perfect for all urban terrains. It also comes with a matte anti-scratch powder coating for added durability. The Urban Edition is perfect for city commuting, featuring an upright cruising bar and a Stealth Suspension seat system for added comfort. This edition allows for more relaxed, upright sitting, making it ideal for navigating the city. It comes in a glossy finish. Lemmo One Max is part of our Dynamic Edition, designed for more hilly terrains with a powerful 56 Nm torque motor. It features a high-end SRAM gravel suspension fork and our Stealth Suspension seat system. With Continental Terra Trail tires, the Dynamic Edition is built for adventure. Occasionally, Lemmo releases exclusive editions, with unique colors, brand collaborations, premium craftsmanship, like this one, in a brushed aluminum finish, and of course, all in limited availability.